Plus Protect, Shoe Crease Protector Guards for sneakers, Air Force 1, Jordans, Dunks and more, 2 pairs built to keep your favorite shoes looking new. 4 pairs, Repove Crease Protectors, Shoe Crease Protector for Air Force, inserts insoles anti-crease shoe tongues, shoe guards, toe protectors, for women's 5 to 9. Crease Protectors, Repove Shoe Protector keeps your favorite shoes from wrinkling and keeps your sneakers shoes looking new and protect your toes. Made for Air Force 1s, Jordans, Dunks and more. Designed for protecting footwear all day with enhanced secure crease prevention and toe box. Lightweight, durable high-grade shoe guard providing comfortable, effective long-lasting use. Upgrade sneakers with trusted protection against creasing made to extend the wearability and appearance of footwear. Four pairs Shoe Crease Protectors for Air Force shoes, Shoe Crease Guard Toe Box to crease prevent shoes crease indentation anti-wrinkle men 7 to 12 / women's 5 to 8, white plus black against shoe creases, prevent toe box creases on your favorite shoes. This anti-wrinkle shoes crease protectors not only keep your expensive shoes looking new, but also improve old shoes. Perfect for storage and travel, Repove Crease Protector can use as shoe trees for men and women. The Shoe Crease Protector are compact and act as the perfect crease guard for your shoes when storing or traveling.